Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment information could not be updated on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you are trying to update your payment information or you are trying to add your payment method, but you are having the issue that your payment information could not be updated. So let's see how can you fix your issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest internet connection. It might be a Wi-Fi or cellular, or you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data. And after that, you just have to go back and here from here, you have to open your settings app, then go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Or if you're connected, try to disconnect with your VPN. And after that, you just have to make sure that there's a country or region in your Apple ID and your iPhone is seeing there's no any difference. So you just have to select your Apple ID here, and here select your media and purchases, and then select view account. And here you will find your country or region option. You just have to make sure that the country or region in your Apple ID and your iPhone is same. So go for general and you go for country or region option, and you'll find the region here. You have to select the same region for your Apple ID and your iPhone, and after that it will almost fix your issue. Or if you still have the same issue, open your general settings here, and here go for the software update, and you have to try to update your software. Or if you haven't any pending update here, or if you find any pending update, try to update that. Then select transfer reset, select reset network settings. Here you have to enter your passcode, and then you just have to select the reset network setting from the pop-up message. And after that, all of your network setting will be reset. It will not delete your data, or but it might fix your issue, because sometimes there will be any issue in your network settings. It will be fixed in this step. And after that, you have to open your App Store, tap on your Apple ID in the top right corner, then select your Apple ID again. Or from here, you just have to select the country or region option. So just wait for a second here, or you have to verify yourself, and then select country or region option. And from here, you just have to select your country and region respective to your location. So just wait for this loading, and after that, you'll be able to select that. So now you just have to select your country or region. Once you have selected, you will get on this type interface. You just have to select the continue option here, and then you just have to agree some conditions. So select agree option in the top right corner. Here you just have to select your payment method. It might be your credit card or your debit card, or you'll find people option here. So you just have to enter these details here, then tap on done option, and your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID. So in this way, you can easily fix if your payment information will not be updated. Or after that, if you still have the same issue, so you have to contact to Apple support team and then find a few help from there. So in this way, you can fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.